Something strange happened today.
What happened, my son?
I saw a man crying on the road. Why was he crying? Because he was alone and sick.
Did anyone help him?
No, everyone ignored him.
What do you do then?
What did you do then? I felt sad, but I did nothing.
Today, we will not ignore anyone.
Wake up, everyone. It is morning.
Mom, what time is it?
It is 7 a.m.
Why are we late today? Because we slept well?
Because we slept late last night.
What is our plan today?
First, we will follow our routine.
What will we do first?
We will have breakfast.
What are we eating? Eggs and bread. Can I help you?
Yes, you can help me.
Who will make tea?
Can I set the table? Yes, please do it.
Why is routine important? Because it makes life easy.
Is routine good for health?
Yes, very good.
Dad, when is my school time?
Your school is at 8 a.m.
What about me? You will go with your brother. How will we go?
You will go by van.
Why not walk?
Because school is far.
Dad, where will you go?
I will go?
To my office.
Yes, I like my job.
Mom, what will you do?
I will go to the market.
What will you buy?
Vegetables and fruits.
Can we go with you?
No, you have school.
Okay, Mom. Dad, can we help that man today?
Yes, we will help him.
Where will we find him? Near the main road.
Is he very sick?
Yes, he looks weak. What should we do first? We will take him to hospital.
Which hospital will we go?
The nearest hospital.
Can he walk?
No, he cannot walk.
Is he safe now?
Yes, he is safe now. What was his problem? He was very weak and hungry.
Will he be okay?
Yes, he will recover soon.
Why do you feel happy?
Because we helped someone.
What will we do next?
We will go home. Then we will rest. Can we travel this weekend?
Yes, we can travel.
Yes, we can travel. Where will we go? We will go to a village. Why do we travel?
To relax and learn.
What will we see there? We will see nature.
Can we play games there?
Yes, we can play.
Will Mom cook there?
Yes, I will cook simple food.
What did we learn today?
We learn to help others.
Why is helping important?
Because it makes us human. Are we a good family?
Yes, we are a kind family.
What is most important in life?
Love and kindness.
Will we always help others?
Yes, this is our promise.